Hello, friends. A very good morning to all of you. And it's been quite a while since I met all of you. And today we are here to, discuss on something which is often ignored, but is very important when we all have a car. And that is how to clean the car glass in a perfect way. And by perfect, I know there are tons of YouTube videos out there on explaining on how to clear the or rather how to clean the car glass, and this is a method that I particularly found out by myself, and it has also given me a very great result. Okay, so without further delay, let us get into the video. But before, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, please do not remember to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and like the video. And now let us just go into the video. Okay, friends, now we are into the video, and for this test to take place, or rather for this video, we are going to have a very what do you call little tools which we can either find locally in our hardware shops and as well as your normal automobile shops. So let me just show it to you, right? So all right, friends, so let me just go ahead with the tools now. So the first tool that we are going to be using is a paintbrush from a hardware store. And you may get that out, paintbrush, why? So two reasons. First reason being, the paintbrush is used to get a complete coverage of the solution that we are going to use to clean the glass. And second thing is, compared with your normal spray and wipe type, when you use a paintbrush, the amount of solution that you will be using is very less when compared with your regular type of a spray and wipe. So these are the two reasons, and the usage of this paintbrush I'll be showing you to you shortly. Second is, before we go into the second solution, you may be using very, what do you call that, glass cleaners like 3M or turtle wax or something like that. But the product that I am using is very commonly found in households, which is this Colin, right? So, and the last product is a microfiber cloth, right? And let us now go into the process of cleaning the glass. All right, friends, so in my sometime back I told you to use a microfiber cloth, so just forgot to tell you one thing. So microfiber cloth, we are going to be needing two, not one, because the reason that I'm just going to tell you. So one microfiber cloth will be used to remove dust from the glass, and the second one will be used for cleaning. Now let us dive into the cleaning. So here is the microfiber cloth. It's a new one, and this is my dad's Baleno. And as you can see, this is bit soiled, and we are going to clean this up. All right, so I'm just opening up the microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to clean this up. I'm just going to remove it off all the dust and debris, and that's it, right? All right, so now we are going to start the spray process. Just keep watching. So just this quantity, and I'm going to use the paintbrush, and I'm going to spread it in circular motions as far as this solution can take. And see, when the solution is dry, you will not be able to get any more of this, right? So the solution here, it has dried up, because as you can see, it has started giving haze like lines here. So just spray up some more here, and repeat the process. and also make sure that you cover up this entire hazy lines during the next spray as well. Uh, that's it. I hope so. Just repeat the process. And I'll show it to you once I completely clean up the glass here. Also make sure to clean up the nooks and corners. And it's also okay if you can give up a final liberal touch up of spray here, just not too much so that it completely soaks, just overall, in order to just coat it up. And once we complete this task, so we just need to leave the solution on the glass for about 5 minutes in order for the solution to take effect on the glass. And sorry for my panting here, because I am wearing the mask as well as I am recording the video and holding it on my hand as well. So everything I am doing it by myself. So that is the reason it is taking a bit of time for me here. Just spread it. And if you can see, so during the course of my video, so only a very little of Colin was used and compared. Alright, and if we can see here, so the glass has already started fogging up, like a kind of a mist or haze or whatever you can call it. Just leave it for about 2 or 3 minutes for the Colin glass cleaner to take effect. Well, I think it's already has started to clean it up. Alright, so what we are going to do now is we're just going to use this new one, that is the old one which you used to clean it up, the glass, or rather remove the dust. So make sure you don't get confused with your microfiber towels if you are using, in case if it is of the same color. Alright, so okay, so we are just gonna start to wipe it off. Make sure that you spread your microfiber cloth on the glass, and it should not be in a circular motion. It should be up, down, and then left, right. Turn the towel up, and then if your microfiber cloth is not moving when you have it in a single fold like this, it's okay if you can just fold it into 2 or 3 parts. But the main objective is the cloth should be able to glide over the glass in order for this to clean completely. And there are some parts, as you can see in this video, those items are like here. So these are something which is inside the glass. So outside the glass it's getting completely cleaned up. And this glass is really dirty because for some days it has not been cleaned. And so what we are going to do is, since we are not able to clean this up, we are just going to have a liberal spray of Colin once more, so that in order to get all the dirt and the grime out from the glass. The reason that I'm giving a more liberal spray is because, as I said earlier, if you are cleaning your glass regularly, so then that is not going to be a problem. But in case if the dirts are stubborn, then you need to have some more the of this solution in a very this thing. You're going to have this solution pumped up all over your glass. And as you can see, I'm completely soaking this in coolant. And just see. So let me reiterate. So once you spray the coolant, the brush you need to apply it in circular motions, because it can spread to each and every corner of your glass, so that your glass can be completely clean. But when you're using your microfiber cloth to buff this solution up, then in that case you need to go up, down, and then left, right, not in circular motions. So just don't be too reserved with spraying your glass cleaning solution. So you can just spray it normally and use it up until it dries on your glass surface when you spread it. In case if it does not, you can just use it some more. So as you can see, I have just completely applied this solution here. Alright, so let us now get back into this buffing business. Or before that, let us just wait for about 30 seconds or something until this solution gets the job done. Alright friends, so it's about 30 seconds since we wiped up. So I'm just bringing this cloth to just for first I'm just doing it with these corners, so that the solution, in case if it is extra, that does not drip out of its place. So I'm just first doing the corners here, and then, as I said earlier, up, down, and then post that also you can go again from up, down, from left to right, because we did it from right to left in order to get a more clear window. And make sure that you give sufficient time for yourself in order to get the glass clean, because the more time you spend towards cleaning your glass, the more clear it will be, and also save you during your journey by giving a clear vision. And I'm now starting it from right to left, and then bringing it down. And again from left to right as well. Alright friends, it's done. Now just take a look. So the places which are not cleaned is on inside of the glass, but outside if you can see the clarity of the glass, it looks very much great. And also let us just test for the clearness from inside the glass on the outside surface. So friends, as you can see, even from inside, the outer part of the glass is crystal clear, with the exception of cleaning the glass inside. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video with all of your friends who are having cars, and this can even be applied for the visors inside motorbikes as well. And please feel free to leave comments in case if you have any queries. Thank you all of you. Stay safe. Bye bye.